Hi, my name is Thomas Izraelevitz, and I'm a lathe operator at Tom's Corporation. I've been working at Tom's for 1 year now. Out of all the choices for careers, I chose manufacturing because my grandfather was in the manufacturing business, and I didn't know exactly what to do getting out of high school. So I figured that if my grandfather could make a good living for himself in manufacturing, that I would be able to do the same as well. So I applied to a bunch of different places after I graduated Goodwin College, and I found myself working at Tom's soon afterward. My journey in manufacturing so far has been exciting and very eventful. It's everything I thought it would be. There's a lot of math and a lot of hands-on activity, which is something I'm totally all for. I'm very proud to be in manufacturing. It is very fulfilling to be working here and to know that the parts that I make do go into somebody's body, because that person could have been struggling for a while trying to find any way possible to feel better, and to know that the parts that I'm making on my machines could someday go to them. They just feel whole again because they got the right part put in their body. The team that I work with at Tom's is a great one. I've actually worked with them for my whole year that I've been here. We have our own little area in the other side of the building with our one cell leader, Austin. He's a great cell leader. My other co-workers and employees, they are always there for me when I need help, and I'm always there for them when they need help, and we're just a one big happy family. Choosing a career in manufacturing is the right choice because it is a growing industry that is going to profit largely in the future. Manufacturing is always looking for new, upcoming and bright students that are fresh out of college, that are ready to work and are hardworking. The advice that I would give to people or someone that wants to excel in manufacturing is definitely go to school for manufacturing, and make sure that you definitely know your math and that you really study hard, because when it comes to manufacturing, there's a lot of math involved, and if you're not great with your math, you'll have a hard time. So make sure you know your math.